Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to decrease word size file. Let's open the Word file. There, open the File menu and click on Info. There you will be able to see the current size of the file. After this, select any of the images in the document. Here in the Picture Format menu, click on Compress Pictures. In this window, uncheck the box, Apply only to this picture. Leave the rest as it is and click OK. Now again from the File menu, you will click on Options. You must go to the Advanced section. You will look for the section, Image Size and Quality. Here you are going to check the box, Discard Editing Data. Then, in Default Resolution, you are going to select the lowest resolution available. Apply this change. You are going to save the changes to the document. Then, from the File menu, click on Info, and you will see how your file weighs less. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.